I wasn't even trying.
This is John Frog, man.
So you're going to jump off the side of here?
Yes. Nice. There. Okay.
So if I stand here, I'll be fine, yeah?
No, you'll die.
Oh, yeah.
You want to stand?
Yeah. Go on, I'll get set up. And that is in a tight spot as well, look guys. Well done.
Thanks.